guys, in this video we're going to be upgrading the clutch situation on the Outlander. Now ever since I upgraded to the 30-inch Super ATV Intimidators, I'm noticing I need a little bit of help in the clutch department. Now on the trails, the snow, water, light mud, they're fantastic, but I'm noticing in the skeg and the thick stuff I need a little bit of help, and I'm hoping it's going to help with my wheelies as well. Now obviously the best way to upgrade your clutches is to simply do that, get brand new clutches. You go STM, CV Tech, whatever you want to do, there's lots of options out there. But if you've been paying attention to my videos, you know we're not all about spending a ton of money on this channel if we don't have to. So I picked up an EPI clutch spring, and Diesel Dilly's gonna give me a hand chucking that in there. Blaze is actually on the way right now to grab it, so I'm gonna throw it on the back of his truck and get it to the man, the myth, the legend, Diesel Dilly, and he's gonna help me out by chucking it in there. But first, I'm gonna hop on it, show you guys kind of how the tires hook up with the stock spring. Just try and do a little wheelie here in the gravel driveway and in the grass, and then afterwards we'll do a little comparison, see what the difference is. So the bike's headed off to Diesel Dilly's now, so the next time you see it, hopefully it's gonna be hooking up a lot better. He's gonna chuck it in, then we're gonna hop on her either here or at his place, show you guys if there's any difference. I'm hoping there is. All right, so we got the clutch spring put in, put a brand new belt on it at the same time. Shout out Kamimoto. I was gonna test it at Dilly's, but we really had some other stuff to do, so I didn't get around to it. I know it'd be quick, but I wanted to get the other stuff done. So anyway, we're heading out on a ride right now. Check the next video for that one. So I'm gonna test it out on the trail. Let's see how this spring works. Ooh, baby. I know I did my trial run in my driveway and on the grass to see how it hooked up. I mean, it always hooked up on the grass, so that wasn't really a good test anyway. So I know before there was no way that I was popping it up on the tracks here. It's just small, loose ground. I still couldn't hook up at all. So I'm gonna try it in low, then I'm gonna try it in high just to see, because I mean, if this thing hooks up enough for me to pop the front end up in high, I'll be super pumped, because there was no scenario where that was happening before. All right, I'm gonna hop on here, do a quick little test. Let's see it. Oh, she bites now, no problem. I can't wait to see this thing rip the skeg. That's next video though. Right now I'm gonna try it in high just for the heck of it. Okay, so high's not happening on this surface, but I know it would on the pavement. I can just feel the engagement, I can feel the difference. So if you're looking at an inexpensive way to upgrade your clutches, I go with the spring, man. EPI clutch spring is the way to go, man. There's a red one, a white one, and I think one other color. All depends on your machine. Not sponsored anyway, but I will drop the link in the description just to help you guys out. Give it a try, man. If you want to upgrade the clutches without upgrading the clutches, we're the shot. All right, that's it for this one. Appreciate you guys watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Peace.